Hey everybody, how you doing? Today we're going to put a set of custom feet on this vintage Marantz stereo receiver, the 2200B, and I believe it's from 1977. And these custom feet will fit all of the vintage Marantz receivers, including the wood cabinet one they've got an option for. Now, taking a look at the feet, they have a CNC machined aluminum shell that matches the faceplate and the knobs on the Marantz, and they're a big improvement over the original plastic feet, but I understand some people are purists and they want to keep everything original. However, I like to tweak and customize my audio equipment. And all you need is a Phillips screwdriver to uninstall the original feet and then put these on. And while we're at it, why don't we play some tunes on this thing? I want to see what it sounds like. It's been a while since I've powered up one of these.